Iban, asal dari Balingan, Sarawak. Aku berumur 21 tahun. Aku yang mau belajar bakalan Teknologi College Sarawak, ngambil jurusan Diploma Pengurusan dan Teknologi. And welcome to Borneo Hornbill Festival. My name is Angela Anajali. I'm come from Balingan, Sarawak, and I'm 21 years old. I'm taking Diploma in Management and Technology at Quintet College Sarawak. Thank you.
Terima kasih Angela Anajali. Saya baru nak translatekan bahasa Iban tu tadi. Bila translatekan sendiri. Hobi di masa lapang, singing, shopping, and dancing.
Dancing.
Macam maksud mau? Yang mau ini. Tujuh lagu. Okay, we go to our contestant number 8.
Very good evening to all. My name is Nuraini Asan. I am 21 years old. I came from Kuching, Sarawak. Currently studying in University Malaysia Sabah, Bachelor in International Financial Economics. Thank you. Enjoy the night.
Thank you, Nuraini Asan. Kredit sikit untuk Nuraini. Hari itu dia mengajak di NTV7 Breakfast Show. Betul? Ya. So, terima kasih NTV7 kerana mempromosikan Borneo Hornbill Festival 2011. Hobi Nuraini di masa lapang, sport and travelling. Ahli sukan. Baiklah, kita pergi ke peserta finalis nomor 9. Sila.
Selamat lemai guys semua kita di sini itu. A very warm welcome to all of us present here today. My name is Adeline Kavita. I come from Miri. Now I am 21 years old. Currently I am studying Bachelor in Biomedical Engineering in Berlin. I hope you all enjoy the night, and I am proud to be a Sarawakian, and I am proud to be Iban. Thank you.
And this is for you. Roman Aligi. Roman Andre Aligi bermaksud terima kasih kamu begitu cantik malam ini. Good. Baiklah, berbangsa Iban, kacukan India. Hobi membaca dan menulis. Umur 21 tahun. Single lagi.
My name is Susan and I'm from Kuching, Sarawak. I'm 28 years old and currently working with Labuan Financial Services Authority at Supervision and Legal Enforcement Department. I'm Bachelor from University Science Malaysia, major in finance, minor in mass communication, and currently I'm doing Chartered Financial Analyst and also MBA. Thank you.
Thank you, Susan and Anita. And this is another one, exotic clothes or costume. But she's clever, covered in front. Paham ke tak? Okay, Susan and Anita, hobi membaca, swimming and traveling. From Lobo Antu Sri Aman. Single lagi. Boleh tu ni? Okay, our next contestant is come forward.
I'm 19 years old. I study Diploma in Physiotherapy at Winfield International College. I'm proud to be Sarawakian and proud to be Iban's girl. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Diana Luba Douglas. Masih single juga. Hobby, listening to music and watch a movie. 19 years old. Masih pelajar sekolah lagi, so tak boleh lah. Ano apa ya? Okay, next contestant, number 12.
Good evening, selamat damai, salam satu Malaysia. Welcome to the Borneo Hornbill Festival 2011. My name is Amanda Lausana Sinagas. I was born in Kuching, Sarawak, but I am Iban Las from pt.2 Sarawak. I am 30 years old by the end of this month, currently pursuing my study in Bachelor of Education, majoring in TESOL, teaching English as secondary language. Pendidikan Teknik Ceras, and I'm proud to be Iban. I'm Iban past, present, future, and forever.
Thank you, Amanda Laos and Justin Agas. Kita perangai di Iban, dia kan Iban kita. Artinya apa ya? Semasa ketemu ramah, dia akan pentas,